In this video, I will show you how to import contacts into your GoHighLevel sub-account. So first go and open up GoHighLevel and select the correct sub-account from the top left right here. So I only have this one, so I'll just select this one. Now first of all, by the way, if you don't have an account yet, you can claim an extended 30-day free trial to GoHighLevel by signing up through the link down in the description. Now with that being said, once you are in your sub-account, you want to go and click on contacts right here. Now from here you have the import button, so click import contacts. And now here's how you can do this. You want to go and upload a file. So right here you can see how it needs to be. So click right there in order to learn how your file needs to be structured. Then here upload the file of up to 50 megabytes. Then you will get to the mapping section where you need to enter where you have the names, where you have the emails and stuff like that. And then in details just select where you want to import it and stuff like that. Now, of course, you can also use GoHighLevel to collect contacts through funnels and websites and stuff like that, and then they will automatically show up in your contacts right here. Now, one more way that you can do this is click on plus and then here just add an individual contact if you want to do that, although this will take a lot of time if you have a lot of contacts. So now you know how to import contacts in GoHighLevel. Now again, you can go and claim the extended 30-day free trial to GoHighLevel through the link in the description. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.